Here we are, 15 March 2024, Nova Scotia. Watching the birds on the suet feeder. Look at that. Got a Downy Woodpecker. And trying to share some of that with him is there he is, a white-breasted nuthatch. White-breasted nuthatch. Like to go up and down the trunk of the stem of the tree eating bugs. They go upside down and everything. And we're both on the feeder together. Oh, is he gonna come back here or not? Anyway. I got a few more seconds. I'm gonna keep this on the short, so see if he comes back or not. Oh, there he is, white-breasted.